For today's special video, we're going to be learning a brand new move called the Grapevine. Without further ado, que comience la fiesta!
Looks like I escaped from the Christmas elf magic. So let's hurry up and do some motuno. Here we go. 5, 6, some motuno. Y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Una más. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Slide step. 5, 6, 7. We're going to cross with that left leg in front on the 1, to the side 2, cross back 3, side 4, cross in front on 5, side 6, cross back 7, and then with the right foot, we're going to cross and tap on 8 like so. We're going to repeat that process now going backwards. So we're going to go right, left, cross, side, cross, side, cross, and then cross in front again with that left leg and tap on that 8, and then somos turno with that left leg. 1, 2, 3, y 5, 6, 7. All right, let's try that one more time. Here we go. Slide step, grapevine, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, allí nada más. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm if you haven't done so already. This helps me in the channel tremendously so we can reach out to others and share the love of dance. Muchas gracias, and back to the video. Alright guys, looks like I can't escape from that Christmas magic for too long. My body is feeling really stiff and it's gonna be hard for me to move, so let me finish up real quick before I turn into a magical elf in the middle of the lesson. So, the main thing you want to focus on is keeping it nice and tight. The further your steps are on the sides or for the crosses, the harder it's going to be for you to even control your momentum and get back on the beat. The one thing I will say is once you finish that whole beautiful grapevine here, and you're going to that last step on that 7 here, the 8, when you cross the foot in front, make sure your hands go out like so. It gives a nice beautiful opposition on the steps. So 7, 8, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so let's try this in halftime with music, and then we'll do it at full speed. Here we go. 5, 6, somos turno. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, grapevine. 5, 6, 7, y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, double time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. Slide, grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. One more time. Get ready. 5, 6, slide step, grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, y ahí nada más.
Everybody, this will conclude it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe for more educational, entertaining videos, and check out the school plays of all the previous moves that we learned. Muchas gracias. Stay safe, everybody. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Keep dancing, my friends. Y hasta la próxima.